Welcome to Juarez World, everyone. And today, you want to say it? We're doing like
airplane challenge. Make the airplane to go farther. Yeah,
farther airplane.
yeah.
Okay, let's go. Okay, let's do this.
Let's do this.
Okay, we're giving the contestants their papers. Here. Carlos, me.
So Carlos is gonna help me build one because I don't know how to really build an airplane.
Yeah.
I ain't helping you build anything. I gotta build my own.
Yeah, you already got yours, so you can start making.
You already have a plane.
We're done making the airplanes.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna throw them after this cool thing we do. Carlos.
Orville and Wilbur Wright will be proud.
Zahara, a butterfly.
Yay!
And the X-wing, Juarez. Okay, who wants to go first? I'll go first.
Ready? Let's see how far.
Okay, Zahara's next. Yeah, this is the first round.
I'll go next. Here we go.
Okay.
At least I was
that
second.
was the first round. Let's go to the second
I was
round.
second.
Round two. Okay, who's going first this time? Okay, I'll go first again.
Just volunteers to go first.
Carlos goes again.
My turn.
My turn.
And let's just go on the round.
Another backwards.
I won! Round two. Alright, let's go to round
The plane
three.
doesn't even.
Round three. Whoever wins this round is the winner. Don't count the last points. It's just for fun. Oh, yes, go first. Okay.
Rocks in yours?
You go next.
Ready? Oh! Beat that one! I'm taking it!
Wait. Oh, here.
We are the champions!
Anyone?
My dream has come true. A whole new world.
Okay, he won. Actually, this could
But
be a round.
Guess what? I'll win again.
Okay, here's a bonus round. Who will get closest to the pole. Okay, who's go first?
I'll go first. Ready?
Okay. You go. I don't want to go last.
As far as it is, I think I'll win. Okay.
Okay, and my turn.
Oh.
Okay, remember, that's gonna be it. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe, like, and share it around. And have a good one. Bye. Bye. I want to give a shout out to James. So you can look at his channel right here. And that's gonna be it. So peace. That's all I wanted to do. Bye.